it's Rebecca with CrucialAir.com, and today we're going to be replacing our Vicks filter with our Crucial Air branded Vicks WF2 filter, which is made to fit your Vicks V3500N Cool Mist 1.1 gallon humidifier. Remember to always unplug your humidifier before changing any parts. To access your filter, simply lift the white compartment straight up and set it aside. Remove the old filter. Grab your Crucial Air branded filter, which you got with free shipping and always costs so much less. Open the filter and place it in the slot. Replace the white compartment, making sure to cover the filter and that all parts fit snugly. And that's it, you're ready to use your humidifier. Remember to visit us at CrucialAir.com for all of your replacement filter and household part needs. And thanks for watching.